Oh,
Good job.
collateral!
Was that a collateral?
It was! It was! Holy shit! The collateral!
I think it's this door.
How are you what?
Downstairs. You gotta go down.
No, keep going
Downstairs,
that way,
downstairs, yeah.
Downstairs, downstairs.
I couldn't go this way before those pins.
No, you just
We're good.
go.
I get the easy 3K.
They're paying for you.
That didn't kill him.
Apparently not. Okay.
Hey, it's the claymore.
How did that not kill you?
Pushing, pushing.
Get it.
Oh,
Get it.
Watch the claymore. Hey,
Don't,
the
no,
diffuser.
you were on it. You were on it. It's next to Claymore.
Right there. Claymore.
Don't shoot the claymore.
Totally, I'll get the epic 3K. Don't shoot the claymore too.
Oh my god.
Shit.
This is my warm-up game. No one judge.
Just gonna rush you and you're gonna win.
Did you just collateral?
I injured 2.
That's 3.
1 injured.
One's injured.
I'll rotate you around.
I would watch the down guy.
Valkyrie. Hey, Valkyrie's on staircase. Lower end staircase on the big
Yeah,
doorway.
she's still right there.
Don't ping.
No, she's still there.
Man, she's out of the junk.
I didn't ping that time though. I only pinged once.
I'm spectating quad.
The lower? Yep, that corner. There you go.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I was really hoping they're just gonna keep rushing me.
Yeah, I was hoping that too.
Ivana.
Go watch your other mirror. Blitz. That ping is Blitz.
Looks dead.
Yes, I thought you were at the other one.
Oh, okay. I got really confused.
My back
Popping
may be getting
grapes.
exposed though.
I'm trying to see if I can find him to zap him. Good shit.
Good luck,
Jaeger.
Second floor?
Wait, let me see if I can shock him. Let me see if I can shock him.
What the fuck was that?
Oh.
Yeah, he just flew out of the. He just flew.
Yeah,
out
he
of
literally
the-
just peeked me the seconds to that.
At least they said GG.
Yeah. Yes, but no. Yes, but actually no.
Excuse me. Thank you.
No,
That was very
ooh,
important.
ooh, I had it.
I said, ooh.
Ooh, ee, ooh,
Hey, Nutty,
Yeah?
come look at me.
Don't destroy it.
Come on, I can get this. I can get it. I can get it. I can
You
get
can
it.
get up there? How?
They don't want to die. They're not really feeling it.
No.
Quad. How'd that not kill a 60x?
He's down. The Capital's down. Don't worry about him. He'll bleed to death.
Unless somebody gets on point.
I mean, I'm watching.
Damn it.
Quad, you were in this site for like 10 seconds. Ah!
Hey.
Are you really kidding?
Holy
What?
shit.
That wasn't even the whole time she could see you.
How? One's fucking standing on a bookshelf doing jumping jacks and he doesn't come out.
I was laying down. I was laying off of the
solid.
bookshelf. I was planking on it.
Stop blanking on him.
I'm watching. I'm looking through. I'm gonna spawn peek.
They're gonna shoot you, bro.
Oh yeah. It's part of the thrill. Cause Koi's actually really fucking good.
Yeah, Fish pretty good too.
Yep.
Are they also
Told you, bro.
He was Callie too. Oh, he quick scoped me. He was waiting for it.
I don't know why.
Okay.
Close that staircase. I'd watch the hatch.
That's just why I made a hole so I can go to both if I need to.
Jumped
How many?
on the other side, hunting in the corner. There you go. Just one.
I'm blind again.
Forward, and I'll tell you if to shoot.
Ooh!
No, I said I'll tell you.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get over to him.
You goofball. Oh.
I was blind.
He's in blue. He's in blue.
Quick,
There you go. It only works if.
Are they giving us extra rounds?
5 seconds before insertion. You've located a bomb.
Jesus Christ, I hate us.
We were playing leapfrog.
That was a jump scare.
The diffuser has been located.
Oh, fish.
What? Well, at least I stepped on both the
I
goose
know.
before I went down.
That was hilarious, though.
No! Why did he go?
Been eliminated.
That wasn't a clutch. That was stupidity.
All I hear is thunk. Bonk.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Do you know what the last fucker is?
I think I'm.
Yeah, on me.
Where?
It's Cav. She's lagging.
Okay, cool.
Cool. Thanks
Watch
for
What
this.
happened?
Watch
I
this
need
lag.
to. Yeah, I need to see this. I need to
She
fucking.
was running.
see
She
this.
was running in place.
Saves to protect.
He's on the stairs. He's on the stairs. He's going in the door. He's
Ah, no help.
in the fucking way.
Rainbow Six be like, yeah, let's put the most inconsistent guns in the game right now, and make a game mode using only them.
Don't take his kill. He fell down. You took the man's kill. You should have killed him with a flashbang.
Wait, what's... Oh, he's
Above you.
above me? Oh, that was
Oh my-
British. Oh, me.
Oh no. Hide. Just hide.
Withstand.
You got it.
Please. No way.
Okay, crack it, crack it, crack it.
Go to the stairs.
No.
They said down. They're like, everyone's down. No way.
They're trying
There's
to
one
jump
on me
the
and there's one upstairs. Bruh.
What?
Tell me
Make a
something
hole for
before.
yourself. You don't have to fall in the pre-made holes.
Yeah, they're right outside of that thought.
Op 4 is defusing a bomb. You need to
They jumped out. They jumped out.
Okay.
diffuser located.
I found it.
The bombs. Disable the diffuser.
I can go. I can go. I can do something.
You will be detected if you're in this room. Your location has been compromised.
You don't want to talk about it?
Back and to the left. Back and to the left.
I'm at the disposal.
I appreciate how none of us chose to play the most OP character in the game.
Yeah, no, it's fine. We're not. Are you already in a fight? What's going- Oh shit.
Ah, shit, good kill.
No, it's not a fight. He didn't even know where the fuck I was.
The diffuser
Oh.
is no longer in
He's in freezer still. Bandit's half health.
10 seconds remaining.
I got no good cams. Good kill, quad.
That was like the most cracked I've been in the game.